Welcome to CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence. Create a policy video. In this instructional video, you will learn how to create a policy. CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence uses policy definitions as a starting point for its capacity calculations. In policy, you can define for which LPAR's CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence is to manage. Create groups and subgroups of LPARs. Define the MSU range for groups and LPAR. Assign the profile for each LPAR and group. Based on the LPAR's grouping, MSU range for group and LPAR, and define profile for LPARs, CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence balances capacity between groups to meet the service level agreements. Once this information is defined in the policy, CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence can manage the system with no need for further interaction. Start the CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence ISPF interface. On the menu, click Policies. Specify 1 to open the Policies panel. Specify the line command A to create a new policy. Enter the policy ID. Add a description to the policy. Specify the start date and end date for the policy. If you want to keep the policy active only for the specific time during the day, specify time of day limit. Remove / to exclude the days. Enter the policy selection priority. CA Dynamic Capacity provides a continuous prioritization of policies and switches between policies based on the priority. Specify AP to add Central Processor Complex. Enter the CPC ID. Specify AG to add a group definition. You can add multiple group definitions and capacity groups to CPC. Enter the group definition ID. Specify the maximum and minimum MSU for the group ID. Add system to the group definition. Specify the system ID and LPAR ID. Specify the profile for the system. Enter the maximum and minimum MSU for the system. Specify the business-critical and time-critical workload processed by the system. Repeat the same procedure to add multiple systems to the group definition. Enter F3 to save the policy. The new policy is added to the existing list. Specify the line command CK to perform the consistency check for the policy. The consistency check option helps you to validate the policy. Keep the policy in queued mode. Enter F3 to save the settings. Open the CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence Controller log to view the policy in the queued mode. CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence activates the policy based on the time setting and priority. For more information about CA Dynamic Capacity Intelligence, click the information bubble on the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can go to product documentation, visit support and CA community sites, or see the learning paths. Thank you.